up, guys? It's your boy Yamaha MT. Welcome back to another video. And just so y'all know, on a quick note, doing a $20 Amazon gift voucher giveaway, £20, whatever it is, 20 whatever, wherever you're from, giveaway. Everything you need to know will be in the link. It's going to be a Gleam link, so follow the requirements and enter yourself into the giveaway. There will be multiple chances, so like you subscribe, you get 4 chances. Follow me on Twitter, you'll get 2, and then obviously they add up, so you got more of a chance to win. So guys, make sure you go check that out. Enter yourself, win yourself $20, £20, wherever you're from. And let's get into the video. Whoops. What we're gonna do today, guys, I'm gonna have a drive down to our powder coating shop. It's quite local to me, because I'm thinking about getting the MT wheels sprayed and some of the things that are anodized sprayed as well. So make all the red parts match with the cage, make it that little bit cleaner. See what they do, obviously, and how much it's going to cost, because I don't want to be paying a fortune for it. I've never done any powder coating in my life, well, never got anything done, so I don't actually know what the process is and how long they're going to need the bike for, because I use the bike every single day to commute to work and home, and obviously go on little rides whenever I need. So yeah, that might be a problem. So have a talk to him, and I'll show you a little video. I'll do a little video of what he sells and the colours and stuff he does, if he lets me. I'll obviously ask him. So that should be good, and hopefully Yamaha should have some nice wheels eventually. The yellow school bus, and everything should match with the cage. I currently don't like the bar ends. I don't know if you can see the bar ends. They're anodized, and the levers are anodized, like the pinky red. It's alright on photos. It does. You can like correct it and make it red, same as the cage. But when you're up close to it, it does look anodized and pink. So I'm not too happy with that. Well, that's an easy fix. It's not a problem. It's just personal preference. So we'll get that sorted eventually, along with the wheels. We'll do it in a wanna, if he lets me. So I'll head down there, go see what he's doing. Probably see when he can fit me in, if it's cheap enough and I like what he's selling me. It would be nice. Squid is a squid man. Whoa, 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 he's a squid man. Talking about the fucking squid man. Whoa, 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 he's a squid man. Maybe he wants to play Squidditch. Oh shit! Another thing as well, guys, I don't know if any of you can relate to this, but since I've had the MT, it's become kind of more of a problem, if I'm honest, with people trying to race me at the lights. It wasn't so much as a deal on me 125, but with the MT, everyone just looked at it and they're like, I want to race that. But you'll get some stupid idiot chavs in the Vauxhall courses that the mum's bought for the bloody birthday present, and he spent all his bloody pocket money on getting some rims for it, not done nothing to the car. They think they can. They just think they can beat you. They just, I don't get it. You've got a shitty Vauxhall Corsa, right? Looks like it's been fucking joyrided about 20 million times by about 17 different youths. Yeah, next time I'll get you, pal. What was I was saying? Been joyriding by about 17 different youths, passed down from the ages. And they still want to try and race you at the traffic lights, and I don't get it. I don't I'm quite young, don't get me wrong, I do like to race. Well, wink wink, I don't like to race. But you always get those idiots that pull up at the side of you and think like they're going to have you because you're on a bike and they're in a car and the four wheels are too, but it's fucking clueless. Absolutely silly. Anyhow, when we get to the powder coating place, I'll probably switch to my iPhone camera just because it's 4K. Probably show up a little bit better for y'all. And then I'll go back to the drift when I'm on my way home. That little kid doesn't like the sound of the bike. Covers her ears up. Also, why is it that kids cover their ears? Not very many kids that are like, oh wow, wow, it's so noisy. Always cover their ears these days. Stupid. When I was a kid, first thing I did when I saw, when I was a kid, first thing I did when I saw something like coming down the street is obviously look. You're like, what the beep is that? Well, these days they just cover their ears. They got a monkey locked up. Somebody call the RSPCA, man. Finished at the powder coaters. Pretty shit news that I really wanted to hear. Look at that knobhead. He said sorry. Nearly hit me. But yeah, the powder coaters. He said if I take everything off, take all the bushes, literally he said gut the wheel, then he'd have no problem powder coating the wheels for me. We said it will be about 100 quid per wheel, which is a bit shit. I think, personally, I think it's a bit expensive. 100 quid a wheel, when he charges 60 a wheel for the others, like a car wheel, a normal car wheel, 60 a wheel. But, it's what it is, that's his business, that's what he wants to charge, so be it. I'll have a look around. See if I can find another powder coat in place.